Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today we're looking at another set of Tesla rim covers from company EVBASE. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that they've sent me a couple rim covers at this time. This is actually the third set that they've sent me, so I'm very excited to get into these and see what they look like. They're a very different design than the other two that I've looked at, so I think they're going to add a fresh new look to my Model 3. The other two wheel covers that they sent me were either designed to look like the Plaid rim covers or the Uber turbine rim covers, so if you want to check those out, I will link them in the video now, as well as include them in the description if you want to see what those rim covers look like compared to the ones we're going to look at today. Again, EVBASE did provide these covers to me for free for a review, so thank you so much for that, EVBASE. They did also provide me with a discount code for their site for my viewers as well, so if you're interested in the product we're looking at today or anything else they have on their site, please use the code MIGHTYMAX, all one word, at checkout to get 15% off your order to ensure you're getting the best deal. EVBASE has a ton of different accessories to check out, not just rim covers. They have basically anything you could think of for your Tesla. Definitely check them out if you're looking to get any upgrades or accessories for your car. And before we get into the unboxing of these specific wheel covers, a friendly reminder to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying my content. It goes a long way into supporting this channel and ensuring that I can continue to make content like you're watching today. With that, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, like I said in the intro of this video, we have another set of Aero rim covers from EVBASE. These ones called the ABS Sports Hubcaps, so I'm very excited to get into this package and see what EVBASE has in store for us. And yeah, so very simple packaging. These do come in a massive box that contains 4 separate rim covers for your Tesla, all wrapped up in that nice bubble wrap to ensure that they don't get damaged or scratched when they're in transit. You see, this rim cover in particular, compared to the other ones I've reviewed on my channel, has more of a geometric look to it. It almost gives me a Cybertruck type vibe, but yeah, a very unique rim look overall. As you can see here, we have the cover that we'll be taking off to put our Tesla emblem on. On the back, we have our attachment mechanism, which is covered by styrofoam for protection. As with all the other EVBASE rim covers, this is a nice metal ring that is very similar to what is on the OEM factory standard Tesla rim covers. We also have clips on the side here that connect to your axles. This is the biggest difference from the EVBASE rim covers compared to the Tesla ones. On EVBASE rim covers, these are plastic, and on the Tesla factory made ones, they are metal, so they'll probably last a little bit longer if you're going with the factory ones. But yeah, overall, very nice looking rim cover, and I'm sure it's gonna look very cool in the car. So let's get that Tesla emblem installed first so that we can get these on the car. EVBASE does make available to purchase different Tesla emblems to put on there in different styles. They have white, red, and black. This time I went with the white ones, but I have done the black ones on this channel before, so definitely check out some of my other EVBASE videos that I'll link in the description below if you're interested in checking out what those look like on the different rim styles that they've sent me. So let's get into these. So obviously you have 4 different Tesla emblems for your 4 different rim covers. These have an adhesive on back so that you just peel this cover off and are able to place it on there once I remove that red protective covering. One of the tricks that I've mentioned before that one of my viewers actually pointed out was that if you take this Tesla emblem when attaching and face it towards your tire's air valve, it actually makes it a lot easier when you go to fill this up, so you don't have to look around the tire, you know automatically where that's going to be, and it'll save you a few seconds if you're ever putting air in those tires. So let's get these on. So a bit different than the wheel covers I reviewed in the past, this one actually has the adhesive covering on the wheel itself. Previously they had only been on the back of my emblem, so a bit of a design difference between these wheel covers and the ones that I've done in the past. And let's see if there's still adhesive on the back of this. There is. So now with these particular covers, not only do you have adhesive on the back of the emblem, but you also have it right here on the wheel itself, maximizing the connectivity you're going to get from this adhesion. So let's get these on and take the protective plastic off. And there you have it, all installed. I think it looks really nice, especially with the white Tesla emblem. So I'm gonna do the rest of these off camera, and then we're gonna get these installed in the car and see what they look like on my Model 3. So let's get over to that. So if you see my other videos, you know that the process for installing these on your car is extremely simple. The first thing you're gonna need to do is to remove your current covers, and whether you have third-party covers like the ones I'm taking off in the video or the original factory ones, the process is pretty much the same. You'll be working your way around the rim, doing a gentle jerking motion to try to pull that cover away so that the clips can detach from both the spokes and the center of the underlying rim. This can definitely take some trial and error, and there were certain times I really had to muscle aspects of it off, but if you're patient and slowly work your way around, you'll eventually be able to pop the cover completely off. Once your old cover is off, take the new one and line up the valve cutout with the tire valve, and then press it into place. These should snap into place relatively easily, although on certain areas I did find myself pushing with more force to make sure that the clip's fully attached. Start by applying pressure to the center, and then around to each of the spokes to make sure everything is securely in place. And once the wheel is fully attached, I always go around and push against the edges one more time to make sure everything's fully attached so you don't have that thing popping off mid-drive. And with that, you're good to go. I simply rinse and repeat on all 4 tires, and the new covers are all set for their debut. So these rim covers might actually be my new favorite set for my Tesla Model 3. I think that the geometric look is very reminiscent of the current Cybertruck trend, and that coupled with the white Tesla turbine logo on the center really pops, and I think it has a really nice and sporty look that gives it a unique aesthetic that I really haven't seen on any other Model 3s out in the wild. Just like all the covers before, install was super easy. These ones I think took a little bit more muscle to get into place than the previous ones that I've done, but all that being said, it still took me under 10 minutes to remove the old covers and put the new ones on, so clearly not that difficult of a process. So yeah, if you're trying to get a more sporty look for your Model 3 or Model Y, definitely check out EVBASE's website and all the different unique designs that they have to really make your Tesla stand out and stand apart from the crowd. It does make your car look a ton more sporty than the factory Aero covers that your Model 3 comes with. We have reviewed a ton of different Aero covers on this channel so far, so I'm very curious to see what you think of these ones. So if you have an opinion, do you like these? Do you prefer the other ones? Do you prefer the originals? Definitely drop a comment in the section below. And again, if you're interested in these and really anything else EVBASE has to offer, definitely use my discount code to get that 15% off to ensure you're getting the best price. That's promo code MightyMax to get 15% off your entire cart at checkout. But yeah, that's really all I had to talk about today. If you are enjoying this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, subscribe to see more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.